Exercise 2.3 is question number 2. If x is congruent to 13 modulus 17, then 7x minus 3 is the congruent to which number modulus 70? Given x congruent to 13 modulus 17. To find 7x minus 3 is congruent to y modulus 4. Find the value of y. X minus 13 is equal to 17k. X is equal to 17k plus 13. If x is equal to, k is equal to 1. X is equal to 17 into 1 plus 13. X is equal to 17 plus 13. X is 30. X value is 30. 7x minus 3 congruent to y modulus 4. 7 into 30 minus 3 congruent to y mod 17. 210 minus 3 is equal to congruent to y mod 17. 207 congruent to y mod 17. 207 minus y is equal to 17m. It is multiple of 17. So 207 is divided by 17. 1 times 17, 37. 2 times 34, remainder 3. 207 minus 3 is equal to 17m. 207 is congruent to 3 mod 17. Therefore, 7x minus 3 is congruent to 3 mod 17. Exercise 2.3, sum number 3. Solve 5x congruent to 4 mod 6. 5x congruent to 4 mod 6. 5x minus 4 is equal to 6k. K is the integers. 5x is equal to 6k plus 4. X is equal to 6k plus 4 by 5. K 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If k is equal to 1, x is equal to 6 into 1 plus 4 by 5. 6 plus 4 by 5, 10 by 5, 2. The value of x is 2. Then, if k is equal to 1 plus 5, 6. X is equal to 6 into 6 plus 4 by 5. 36 plus 4 by 5. 40 by 5, 8. If k is equal to 5 plus 6, 11. X is equal to 6 into 11 plus 4 by 5. 66 plus 4 by 5. 70 by 5. 1, 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2, 8, 14, 20 and so on. Question number 4. Solve 3x minus 2 congruent to 0 mod 11 given 3x minus 2 congruent to 0 mod 11. 3x minus 2 is equal to 11k. 3x is equal to 11k plus 2. X is equal to 11k plus 2 by 3. K is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are integers. K is a integer. If k is equal to 1, 11 plus 2, 13 not divided by 3. You take 2, 22 plus 2. If k is 2, x is equal to 11 into 2 plus 2 by 3. 22 plus 2 by 3. 24 by 3, 8. If k is equal to 3. 33 plus 2, 35. 35 is not divided by 3. If k is 4, 44 plus 2 by 3, 46. 46 by 3 is not divided by 3. 5, 55 plus 2, 57. 57. So k is equal to 5. X is equal to 11 into 5 plus 2 by 3. 55 plus 2 by 3. 57 by 3. 1 times 27, 9 times. Therefore, x is equal to 8, 19, 30 and so on. Fifth sum, what is the time 100 hours after 7 a.m.? In a day, you have 24 hours. You're going to find, now time is 7 a.m. You're going to find after 100 hours. What is the time? 100 plus 7, 107. 107 is congruent to x mod 24. 24 is the time of 1 day. 107 minus x is equal to 24k. X is equal to 107 minus 24k. If k is equal to 4, x is equal to 107 minus 24 into 4. 107 minus 96. 11. X is equal to the required time is 11 a.m. 6. What is the time 15 hours before 11 p.m.? 11 minus 15, we get the remainder is minus 4. X is x congruent to minus 4 mod 24. 24 is 24 hours in a day. X plus 4 is equal to 24k. X is equal to 24k minus 4. If k is equal to 1, x is equal to 24 into 1 minus 4. 24 minus 4, 20. Therefore, 15 hours before 11 p.m. is 20 hours. 20 minus 12, 8. Therefore, 8 p.m. Sounds up. Today is Tuesday. My uncle will come after 45 days. In which day my uncle will be coming? Tuesday is third day of the week. 45 congruent to 3 mod 7. Sum of DA in a week is 7. 45 minus 3 is equal to 7k. 42 is equal to 7k. K is equal to 42 by 7. K is equal to 6. The sixth day of the week is Friday. My uncle will be come on Friday.